It is high time saizi sisi tuweze to take stock of what we have as a nation. Na mimi furaha yangu ni kwamba katika Kenya nzima tumeweza kutunukiwa sisi kama watu wa Malindi, hiyo research center imeweza kuletwa hapa. Mbali na hiyo research center kuweza kufika hapa, nimesikia kwamba pia kuna mipangilio mikubwa mengine ambayo tunaweza kuifata, kama vile college ambayo itakuwa inaweza kufundisha masuala ya hapa. So ni kitu ambacho kiko katika pipeline, na nashukuru wakurugenzi wa hapa, nashukuru maofisa wa hapa, and we are really looking forward to this project.
What we are setting up is the Marine and Coastal Research Center, which is supposed to be heading the research agenda for WRTI for the whole the area from Vanga up to Kiunga. So we'll be doing both marine and coastal research. As you know, our ecosystems at the coast are very rich in terms of biodiversity. It's one of the richest in the country. If you mention Shimba Hills, Arabuko, Boni Dodori, and then the marine environment is quite unique. Under the blue economy, we have very unique opportunities that can be realized from our marine environment. So as an institute, we want to spearhead that so that the country benefits from the blue economy and also training opportunities, because we're also doing training, tailor-made training to enhance our capacity to benefit from the blue economy agenda. So this is a very good center that is coming up, and I hope it will play a very crucial role in driving the blue economy agenda.